And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is the latest from the HG Wombasu GQuuuuuux, which is the GQuuuuux Endymion Unit Awakended. And as you can see in the box art, this is more likely the scene that we were able to see in the anime. Yeah, for season I guess maybe this is season 2. I'm not sure. It's in the last episode. We're in the original RX-78-2 cross over to this universe and wreak havoc, and yep, it had the unit had to be awakened, and yep, this is it. And of course, going off to this side, yes, here it is, and the unit. Some action poses that you can do with it, and of course the gimmicks. Off to the other side, again, it's front and back of the GQuuuuux and the Unit Awaken, and of course the story. Now opening up and seeing what's inside the box, we are greeted with, I think, a new sticker sheet. I think this is ABS. No, this is not ABS plastic. I think it's the environmentally safe grade plastic for this one. And I guess we are having, see, old screws, and this new bag here, I guess this is the bag with the new screws and new parts. More of the original G parts here. Same thing with this one, and yep, the transfers from when it first came out, and of course the instruction manual. We have it here, and it's in a booklet style instead of just one leaflet opening up. And yep, here it is, and the Minion Awakened, and the gimmicks I can do with it, and of course the color guide. Now let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. Okay, so first off is we have the A sprue, which is the original A sprue from the HG first release. We also have the B sprue here, which is all black, again the same from the HG release. C sprue all white, same with the HG release. The D sprue continues with being all white, and same with the D, the issue released previously. Same with the E sprue here, which is all blue. Coming up with the F sprue, which is all red, same with the original release. And finally, we have the G sprue, which is part of the original release. Now, this is the new parts, wherein we have the H sprue, which is the new head part. And we have the I sprue here, more parts for the Endymion unit, and some connectors for that Endymion unit. And of course, the PLA plastic or piece. We also have the sticker sheet here. And of course, we have the transfers. And there you have it, again, fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG GQuuuuux Endymion Unit Awakened. Yes, so basically it's still the HG GQuuuuux, but with additional sprues or additional parts. Yep. And this is perfectly replicated from the last episode we're in. Surprise, surprise, since this was created by the guys who created Evangelion, so it has a opening mouth mechanism, just like how it happened in Evangelion. With Unit 01 being awakened, or rather semi-awakened, and it opened its jaws. Anyway, this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.